The National Water Commission (NWC) says it will implement interim measures to reduce the negative impact of delays while it restores normal supply to sections of the corporate area before May. Water supply has been disrupted by the various roadworks, but in this case, it says it is facing delays in replacing a major pipeline along the Mandela Highway, which transmits water to the corporate area. It was hoping to complete that work in March, but now the NWC says the timeline will be missed. Sections of the corporate area have been experiencing reduced water pressure or have been without water since the major break along the pipeline on December 8.
Work is going on, not only on those new replacement pipelines being built, but we are trying as well to put in place some other alternative measures, which we probably will be able to explain in the next week or so when people will actually see evidence of some of that work.
Now, Mr. Buchanan says emergency pipes are also being laid along the Mandela Highway.
On an emergency basis, we are also laying what might be some undersurface pipes on this northern side of the carriageway as a means of at least giving us back some of the water which we would have gotten from that 18-inch pipeline.